Excuse me, officers. Would any of you guys want to try riding my electric unicycle? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. There's a person. Yep.
Oh, this thing's a fast, dude.
Yeah. It's fun to stay at the YWCA. Look at the whale. It's a whale. Guy. Like, if this traffic's too ridiculous. I hate cross. It's like the worst intersection to cross.
Yeah.
Yo, this used to be Extreme Wheels. The place hardcore shows used to be at. There used to be so many cars here all the time. I don't even really remember what the outside of the place looked like. I know there was more of a front room here. It's changed a lot. Turned into gentrifier apartments. Look at these holes. Don't fall. These are deep.
Wow.
Yeah, there's some kids up here. So glad to be back on my wheel. Got a new tire, got a flat, but we're back in business. My wheel is a lot higher of a PSI, so it's a little wobbly under my feet. And I'm riding with my friend Chef, who's back there. He doesn't have a headset, so look at this beautiful heart. Looks great. Oh, here looks kind of cool. Oh, there's a trail here. Where does this trail go? A cool trail. Whoop. Chef on his brand new T4.
What?
Look at this school. Riverside High School. They don't make them like this anymore. Oh. There's a person. Sorry, I was gonna fly this off the stairs. And then I see your head at the last second. I was like, whoop, don't go.
I saw that and I was like amazed. Real?
Electric unicycle.
Electric unicycle?
Yeah.
How much?
Yo, man, nice meeting you.
Yeah.
I know, but I want to go over the bridge. Over the highway. Ah, nothing like the Niagara River. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Oh, punch bug, yellow, banana. I've never been over this little bridge here, so I'm gonna check that out. All right, let's get this. Oh yeah. Yo, if you ever want to stop and do something, just do it. You like how I flow?
Yeah.
Yo, let's climb that. Let's get up there. There's not really a warning sign. It's like, yeah, don't enter, but you could totally jump over and do it if you want. Yo, look at this kid wheelie. Yeah. I'm gonna go take a look real quick. Oh, it's packed. The long, boring part. How long could I last? Oh, like 3 seconds. So this time not. Going down from a major. Oh shoot. Oh. Broke my watch. I fell. Yeah, I'm good. I fell and pedal clipped. I'm good, let's go. Dang, and that was going slow. Smashed my nail. I think that's bleeding too. Ooh, got a bad in the shoulder. Look at that.
Ooh.
Yeah, maybe it's time I get gloves that cover my fingertips. Whew. It feels like when I was younger I used to skate and I used to just get hurt, but like you don't want to ruin the day, so you like muscled through it. Woo! That's a speed bump if I've seen one. There's another one. Woo! I'm gonna try it. I'm just kidding. It's dark blue water. It's such a ridiculous color right now. It's like pink almost. Water pressure will take care of any diseases. Bomb. Old Man River. There is a whale on top of this place. Gotta see it. Look at the whale. It's a whale. Let's see what Canal Fest is all about. What in the heck is this? The Lumberjack Show. The Lumberjack Show. We're at Canal Fest. Oh, the pull-up competition. I gotta do it. Excuse me, officers. Would any of you guys want to try riding my electric unicycle?
No.
No, thank you.
Oh.
I'm definitely gonna fall on that. I've never been on anything that's like a unicycle, so no.
You look familiar. Did you go to Talent High School?
Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know me.
3745.
I heard them say it as you're on the way. He's doing a TikTok.
There's the beer tent. I don't know anybody. They're all looking at me though. It's fun to stay at the YWCA, right? Maybe we could treat the street like doing tricks. Do my one-footed antics. The secret spot.
New spot unlocked.
New spot unlocked. Are there no rides?
No.
They used to be all be here.
I don't know what that is, but it's cool.
Electric unicycle.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Now you know the joy of riding it to like events. What?
We're standing in the middle of the...
Yeah, dude, no one drives there.
Yeah, let's trade. I like that.
Oh man, I like that too. You?
Oh, shit, you're fast, too.
Yeah.
How fast they go about?
45.
Oh, 45? That is nice, man.
What about that?
Let's go about 38.
38?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I unlocked it from the...
Okay, good, good, good.
That's sweet.
Yeah. You can ride one-footed.
Oh, shit.
I fell earlier. Look at this shit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, here too.
Damn.
But
What those cost about? What those...
$3 grand, and then they have ones. They have ones that are bigger and better that go about $4 grand.
Them shit's fast as hell.
Yeah, man.
You gotta have a helmet on with that. Take a while to learn how to ride them.
Do you know how to rollerblade or ski? None. It might take you. It might take you like 2 or 3 days.
Wow. How long do the battery last?
40 miles if I'm going really fast, but it could be as much as 50 or 60 miles if I'm going like bike speed, like 15. Let's go, yeah.
Oh, damn. Really? Off-road wheels and everything? Wow. What, y'all ordering online?
Yeah, ewheels.com.
What do they call these?
Electric unicycles. That's the game changer. Before the suspension, they were really dangerous. Now they're like, they're not as dangerous.
That is nice.
Hell yeah, man. Yo, nice meeting you. Yo, you too. That was fun.
Yeah. That's pretty fast. I didn't know.
Yeah, dude, he was hauling ass on that thing. I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go right here. little Buffalo secret. The only tent city that I know of in the actual city of Buffalo, I mean there might be a few more elsewhere, but is in over there. I'm not getting anyone in trouble or anything, but just a little tidbit, you know. I'm just a real guy. I'm gonna tell you the real happenings of what's going around. And yeah, they're nice. I go down there and ride sometimes. Ooh. Oh, you decided to join. Oh my God, look at that deer. See? Cool shit. You okay? You scared?
Yeah.
Watch these cars.
You doing the road?
Yeah, road.
The road?
Yes.